Let's move on to our next chapter, Artificial Intelligence and its domains. In this chapter, we will learn categories of artificial intelligence, risk and barriers of artificial intelligence, domains of artificial intelligence. In the previous classes, you have already learned about artificial intelligence, its evolution and future prospects of AI. Now, let's study about the categories and domains of AI. Categories of AI. AI is classified into three types based on their capabilities. You can see here. First one, dedicated for one task. Second one, perform like human. And third one, intelligent than human. Artificial Narrow Intelligence or ANI. ANI is also referred to as narrow AI or weak AI. It is goal oriented, designed to perform a specific task it is programmed to do. A chess game software is an example of narrow AI, meaning it can only do what it is designed to do. It can beat a human being but cannot solve a complex mathematical problem. RankBrain is an example of narrow AI. It is a machine learning algorithm that Google uses to sort the search result. So RankBrain is an example of narrow artificial intelligence. Autonomous car and smart home are also examples of narrow AI. Autonomous cars. Autonomous cars create and maintain a map of their surroundings based on a variety of sensors situated in different parts of the vehicle. Radar sensors monitor the position of nearby vehicles. Video cameras detect traffic lights, read road signs, track other vehicles, and look for pedestrians. Here you can see an autonomous car picturization. Smart home. A smart home refers to a comfortable home setup where appliances and devices can be automatically controlled remotely from anywhere with an internet connection using a mobile or computer. Devices in a smart home are interconnected through the internet, allowing the user to remotely control multiple functions such as security access, temperature, lighting and home theater, etc. Next is Artificial General Intelligence or AGI. General AI or strong AI is a type of AI that exhibits human level intelligence. That means it can understand, think, and act the same way a human might in any given situation. The idea behind the general AI is to make such a system that could be smarter and think like a human. Next is Artificial Super Intelligence or ASI. Super AI is a level of intelligence of systems at which machines could become superior to human intelligence. It could perform any task better than humans with cognitive properties such as reasoning, problem solving, understanding of emotions, decision making, etc. Next is advantages of artificial intelligence. Now let's go through some advantages of AI. First one, reduction in human error. The phrase human error was born since humans make mistakes from time to time. Computers do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. With the help of AI, the decisions are taken from previously gathered information and applied to a certain set of algorithms. Due to this, the errors are reduced. Second advantage is takes risk. This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can develop an AI robot to do risky things. Available 24 into 7. Using AI, we can make machines work 24 into 7 without any breaks, and they would not be get bored, unlike humans. Helping in repetitive jobs. In our day-to-day life, we might be performing many repetitive tasks like sending thank you emails, verifying certain documents for errors, and many more things. Using AI, we can productively automate these mundane tasks, free humans from these tasks, and help them to be more creative. Next advantage is faster decisions. Using AI, we can make machines take decisions faster than a human and carry out actions quicker. While taking a decision, humans will analyze many factors with both emotion and practicality, but an AI powered machine works on what it is programmed for and delivers the result in a faster way. So these are the advantages of AI. Next, we can move on to the disadvantages. Risk and barriers of AI. As AI has its advantages, there are some disadvantages too. Let's see what are the disadvantages. High cost. Technologies are changing so rapidly. So unless we keep updating the software and hardware requirements for AI maintenance, it may get outdated. This updating process becomes really expensive. So this is one of the major disadvantage of AI. Next is making humans lazy. AI is making humans lazy with its applications, automating the majority of the work. Humans tend to get addicted to these inventions, which can cause problems to our future generations. Next is unemployment. AI is replacing the majority of the repetitive tasks and other jobs with robots. Human interference is becoming less, which will cause a major problem in our employment standards. So, unemployment is one of the major disadvantage of AI. Next disadvantage is no emotions. Machines cannot develop a bond with other humans, which is an essential attribute when it comes to team management. So AI machines have no emotions. Next is lacking out of the box thinking. Machines can perform only those tasks which they are designed or programmed to do. Anything out of that, they tend to crash or give irrelevant outputs, which could be a major step back. So these are all the disadvantages of AI. Next is domains of AI. Now we will introduce three domains of AI such as data, natural language processing, and computer vision. First, let's move on to data. We know nowadays the web provides a level of concrete information about consumer habits like likes and dislikes, activities, and personal preferences that was unimaginable a decade ago. Social media accounts and online profiles, item audits, labeled interest, liked and shareable content. Apps and programs and CSR systems all add potentially meaningful data to the big data pool. With data generated from multiple sources, AI can build a great store of knowledge that will ultimately enable accurate predictions about you as a consumer. These are based not just on what you buy, but on how much time you spend in a particular part of a website or a store. Data is a collection of raw facts. The data can be in the form of numbers, words, symbols, or even pictures. There are three types of data. They are structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Structured data. Any type of data that can be stored, accessed, and processed in the form of fixed format is termed as structured data. For example, an attendance register book is a part of structured data. Next is unstructured data. Any type of data with unknown form or structure is classified as unstructured data. Example, the outputs from a Google search, comments, notes, feedback, etc. are examples of unstructured data. Semi-structured data. They contain both the forms of data. It is information that does not reside in a rational database but that have some organizational properties that make it easier to analyze. Second domain is NLP or natural language processing. NLP works as an interface between people for the exchange of information. We think we make decisions or plans and do it more effectively through our natural languages, precisely using words. However, the big question that confronts us in this AI era is that can we interact with the computer the same way we interact with our fellow humans? In 2018, Google Duplex was demonstrated by Google CEO Sundar Pichai. It was a major milestone in NLP in AI. A typical interaction between humans and machines using NLP involves the steps. Step 1, a human talks to the machine. The machine captures the audio. Audio is converted to text and the text is processed to data. The data is processed to audio. The machine responds to the human by playing the audio file. Third domain is computer vision. Computer vision is an interdisciplinary scientific field that deals with how computers can be made to achieve a high level understanding of digital images or videos. It is a field of AI that enables computers and machines to derive meaningful information from digital contents. Here in the picture, the program has tried to identify various objects in the sea. The same mechanism is really helpful for autonomous cars to make decisions during their travel. One of the advanced technologies in computer vision is YOLO, you only look once. It uses advanced neural networks to recognize objects inside an image in a faster manner than any other algorithms. The computer vision includes the methods to produce information. First one, acquiring images. Second one, processing images. Third one, analyzing images. And fourth one, understanding images. Here, this figure is given a prediction using the computer vision. A dog, a bicycle, and a truck are identified and labeled with maximum accuracy and speed. So, that's all about this chapter. Thank you.